This is electric wire binding machine. There it has punch area, a wire closer, and a paper extension over here. First thing, we have to adjust the wire closer according to the wire size you want to use. And when this bar is outside, we move the handle to make the plate move and find this triangle to point it to S1 position. In this position, we push this bar in. If still cannot push in, you just move a little bit, then they pushed into a slot. There is another slot here. This slot is used for 3x1 machine. In this position now, we lose these two knobs and find the wire size we want to use. Today we use is 60mm wire, so we find the wire. We use this handle to move this plate, and in this side is a wire size. We find a 5/8" wire. Here, use this triangle to point it to this wire size, and we close this knob, and we pull this one out. Now the closer can move. We get a one wire to try. See this wire, we can put like this. Put the bottom. The bottom is a magnet, so it can suck the wire. If the wire we close is too loose, we can do it again. Push this one in. We still need to find the 2S1 position. Okay, to point it to S1 position. Then we push that in. And lose these two knobs to move this plate a little bit up. This triangle a little bit up to. Okay, then we close this knob. It means the triangle a little bit up. It means the closer more small. Okay, and we take off this one. Close again. See now, it's more tight. It's okay now. We start to do a punch. Use a paper, A4 paper, to do the punch. This is a punch pin. If it's disengaged, it's pulled out. Disengaged, the paper will leave a blank there. They cannot have a hole. But if you push it in, it will punch a hole on the paper. So now we all pushed in, so it's all those holes on the paper. And this side, this one, there is 3 levels, 3 grade, or we can say. This is for the paper edge, the whole edge of the paper. Okay, so we use the smaller edge. Punch. We use this foot pedal to punch. The whole punch. Then we will take a wire. This is the smaller side of the wire. This is big head of wire. We use the paper, push the paper into the small side of the wire. Then we turn over like this. Put into the wire closer. Okay, the paper is up. Then we close. This one. Perfect.